So we now turn to a topic that sits on the intersection of two major transformations that are happening in our economies and in our societies. Artificial intelligence and clean energy. We know that the latest wave of AI innovation is shifting rapidly towards real-world applications and scenario-specific applications. It's with us today. This shift is driving exponential growth in both the need for computing power and, critically, the demand for green electricity to power it. And as a result, traditional models for powering that computing power are starting to creak at the seams a little bit. They're really being pushed to their limits. In this context, the key question becomes, how can industrial zones evolve to meet the dual challenges of technological innovation and the green transition? To explore this question, I'd like to welcome to the stage our next speaker, Mr. Jacob Lee, to give remarks. Mr. Lee is the head of climate impact programs at Nova Complex. Mr. Lee, if you could join us on stage.
Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for attending the summit today. I'm really honored to be here. 各位水利区的领导，早上好。My name is Jacob. As head of climate impact program in Nova Complex, I'm honored to represent our company at this Climate Group Asia Action Summit held here in Singapore, and to explore with all of you the challenges and opportunities of sustainable infrastructure development in the context of a new wave of artificial intelligence. Today, AI is moving beyond foundational models into broader real-world applications, which is driving explosive demand surge in computing power. However, this also brings notable challenges related to energy consumption and carbon emissions. Traditional data center development models, particularly those relying heavily on high carbon energy resources, are no longer viable. Against the backdrop of intensifying geopolitical competitions, many countries are enacting legislations to regulate carbon emissions and establish carbon border adjustment mechanisms, creating new regulatory trade barriers. Concurrently, the internet industry served by data centers is undergoing transformation, such as rising energy demands, supply chain restructure, and new wave of AI-driven requirements, pushing data center industry into a new era of green reformations. Just a very quick sharing. Before I joined Nova Complex, I was from an AI company. And before the AI company, I was from, maybe some of you might know, Lazada is an e-commerce company. So both of these two companies, they require heavy support on data center usage, as well as the carbon emissions. When I see the opportunity of Nova Complex, I see that this is the new wave or new era. So that's why I took on this journey and then participate on this carbon emission-free journey. So, in response, Nova Complex has introduced the innovative and sustainable power campus model, a deeply integrated solution combining renewable energy and data center. From power perspective, the power campus aims to increase the proportion of renewable energy utilization in the data center power supply mix through deep integration of energy and compute capacity. It enables self-sufficient energy supply and intelligent energy utilization scheduling. Within each campus, it deploys advanced energy storage stations and microgrid system to ensure the stable and safe operation under various requirements of computing workload. Surrounding each campus, we invest in large centralized green energy generation bases, such as wind, solar, and other forms of renewable energy forms, by taking local perspective into consideration. From a campus point of view, power campus are planned, designed, developed, and assembled in parallel through innovative globalized supply chain management, while completing the development for land, water resource, and municipal infrastructure locally. The prefabrication of various computing center modules is carried out simultaneously from different parts of the world. We leverage Asia's superb equipment manufacturing capacity and highly efficient supply chain capability, combined with years of rapid, parallel deployment experience from a team of experts. To ensure shift data center delivery from land to power, from equipment to systems, it enables the end-to-end development cycle from raw land to raw compute capacity to be complete within as little as 180 days. I would also like to take this opportunity to share some of the progress Nova Complex has been made over the last year. In Brazil, we are deploying hydropower-based data center solutions, tapping into abundant hydropower and carbon credit system to significantly reduce green electricity cost through green certificate trading and carbon mutual recognition mechanisms, ensure sustainable use of clean energy. In Middle East, we are planning to build more than 3 gigawatts of renewable energy generation capacity and 1.5 gigawatt of energy storage to support over 500 megawatt of future IT load with green electricity. We adhere to a local adaptation strategy to match the most suitable green energy solution for the environment in every region. Nova also strategically secure and pre-develop essential resources such as energy, equipment, network, water, and land. This approach helps mitigate the time, labor, and cross-border cost associated with global parallel development of Power Campus. The result is an integrated solution that delivers global business value through interconnected deployments, technical synergy through cross-chain capabilities, customer-first execution through synchronized service. Together, Nova provides global, green, safe, rapid, and cost-effective AI-oriented computing infrastructure services for super-skilled digital industry leaders worldwide. Our goal is clear: to uphold the concept of green digital infrastructure development, promote global carbon mutual recognition mechanism, and leverage sustainable finance tools to enhance cross-border circulation of green assets. Nova's core team has nearly 20 years of experience in global infrastructure development, and our values remain very firm: neutral, inclusive, and sustainable. These principles are the foundation of our continuous effort to integrate energy and computing power. Finally, I want to emphasize that the future of technology developments shall not come at the cost of increasing carbon emissions. Sustainable computing power must be built on global collaboration in clean energy and efficient operation of global supply chain. This is the reason Nova Complex is committed to solve the next generation data center challenges through our Power Campus model. We sincerely hope to work together with all of you to build infrastructure that align with the need of our time, and to promote a greener, more efficient, and more equitable digital world. We welcome you to continue to follow Nova Complex and witness our journey towards sustainability. Thank you very much.